Hi, today we're going to show you a very simple way to learn anything, and it's called step-by-step training. Let me show you how it works. We've got a primary monitor, that's the one I'm going to be applying the information. I've got a secondary monitor. This is where I'm going to be learning. This is going to be running a video tutorial. It's going to show me and tell me what to do. So I watch it here, I do it here, and I'm going to control the pace with a foot pedal. This is a foot pedal. Now this will be sitting on the floor during the tutorial, but I'll just show you how it works. I've got a play button. If I press play, it's going to play the tutorial. Let me show you.
To create a Gmail account, the first thing we need to do is go down to the Start menu.
Okay, and if I release it, it stops. I can rewind, and I can fast forward. What I'll do, I'll put this on the floor, and I'll show you how easy it is. Watch this.
To create a Gmail account, the first thing we need to do is go down to the Start menu, click on it, go up, and open up a browser in it.
So at this stage, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to follow those instructions. I'm going down to my Start menu, and I'm going up to here. Then I continue.
Open up a browser, in this case it's Mozilla Firefox. We then click on it. The browser loads up.
Okay, now I follow the same. As you can see, it's step by step. I'm watching and listening, and then I'm applying. I'm watching and listening, and I'm then applying. There's no ambiguity. You know, I don't have to think about it. I'm actually being physically shown what I have to do. I'm being told what to do. Then I can stop. Then I can do it myself. So, if I can do 2 steps, I can do 200 steps. I can learn any process. So, we'll continue a little bit more. I'll press play.
The browser loads up, and then we go up to Gmail. gmail.com. Now, what I could have done...
Okay, so I'll do the same here. gmail.com. And then I'll continue. Now, the other thing with this, what we've got is a backspace. It'll go back 1 second before it recommences. We can actually change that to 5 seconds or whatever your preference. So you'll see this will skip back a little bit. I'll hit continue.
I could have done, since Google's my default page, I could also select it on that. And if you actually forget the URL, you could actually type in what you think and then search. And in this case, it's gmail.com, and then I hit enter.
Okay.
When I've done that,
the next page has come up, so I'll follow suit. Okay, and I'm at Gmail, so we'll continue.
And that, we come to the welcome page for Gmail. Now, since we don't already have an account, we need to go down to here and select create an account.
Okay, so I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go down and select create an account. Now let's say I wasn't paying attention or I missed something, I could easily just push rewind, no hands. And as you can see, I'm rewinding. I can also fast forward. Okay, so I can play, I can stop, I can rewind, and I'm fast forward. And the whole time I'm doing that, I'm doing it hands-free, which means I can keep my hands and eyes focused on the task that I'm learning. Now, we can teach any application, Microsoft Word, Excel, proprietary databases, anything. Basically, if it can be demonstrated, we can capture it. And then on playback, the user's able to go step by step. Now, it even gets better. We can also support multi-languages. So once we shoot the content, we can re-narrate in any language, French, Italian, German. And then with the training content, the users can select their preferred language and then watch all the steps in their language. Hearing impairment. If hearing, you've got problems with hearing, not a problem. We can actually transcribe this and put subtitles across the bottom so you can actually be watching and reading the instructions. The other thing we can do is, a lot of the time when working with computers, there's actually digital assets. Like if I'm using video, I need video content, word processor, text, databases, data. Now, rather than just teach people what to do, we can actually pass data over to them. So if we need to open up a sample document, at that point in the video, we can pass out a document. Then if we need a database, let's say we're going to do a mail merge, we can pass over a database. So rather than waste time making a document or a database, we say, we're going to do a mail merge today, and what we need is a document. Have a look on your desktop, we just put one there. And we need a database. Let's have a look at the letter. Okay, now we're going to show you how to join the two. So it's like a recipe where the instructions and the ingredients self-manifest themselves when you need them within the tutorial. So hopefully this is a quick overview. Hopefully you can see it doesn't matter the industry, if you're an accountant, a lawyer, medical, mining, education. If it can be demonstrated, we can capture it, and then the training can be played back step by step. Very simple. Speak to you soon.